So if you guys have never seen it, what happens is that Paparazzi offers exclusive sets, and they allow consultants that are on this list. All you have to do is call to get on the list, but there is a wait list to order these sets ahead of time. So my sets just came in today. They give you 5 sets of 4 pieces, 4 matching pieces. What's up, Christy? Hi, Daisy. Same old stuff, yep, right? Same old stuff, new day. So I just got my 5 sets in. I love Fashion Fix. If you're a consultant and you're not on Fashion Fix, I highly suggest it. They're very, very, very hot pieces. So what happens is that they send them out on the 20th or 21st. I can't remember which day. And then once I get them, I can show them, and then I can take pre-orders for them for the 4th. So on the 4th at midnight, which is technically the 5th, I can then go ahead and order these pieces. Now, these pieces aren't released to the other consultants until the 21st or 20th. The 20th, that's what it is. Hey, Bella. So I come on and I like to show you guys in person what they look like, and you guys can decide. Some consultants only allow you to buy the full set. I allow you to buy pieces. You can mix and match. So what happens is I'm going to show you guys the sets, and then Michael will post in my VIP group the snapshots of them, and you can choose whether you would like the piece, what piece or what have you. I don't charge anything until they come in, but I like prompt payment because I did put my money out ahead of time to get the pieces for you. So, with all that being said, did you get it shared?
No, I'm trying.
He's looking for Google Chrome. He's on my computer and he doesn't like my computer.
I don't know what you did do it.
Huh?
I don't know what you did with the. It's all jacked up. I'm sharing it to the things right now.
Well, we can switch it to your computer for my show after.
Do your thing.
I just wanted to make sure you got it all out,
I do it.
so I'm not showing things twice. Okay, so the first one, which is my absolute favorite, is this gunmetal one. And this is going to be the 4 pieces that came out. And so they have this gunmetal necklace with the gunmetal rhinestones. So I'll show you guys. It has the gunmetal chain link. Comes down into that single solitaire there. That's a nice big fat rhinestone. And so they had this piece. You have Mac. My dog's name is Mac. Oh, I have a Mac, yes. I have a Mac, he has a PC. Then it had the, do I have Mac? I'm like, what? I have a Mac. I have a dog named Mac. And then then it comes with this gunmetal bracelet, or it can be purchased separately. The ring to this set is this ring here, which is fabulous, like seriously. So I usually keep these sets for myself because there's no guarantee. Some of these pieces get sold out right away. So this set right here, it comes with this bracelet, this necklace, this, did they cheat me out of earrings again? No, here they are. This ring here, and then these are the earrings that go with it. Tell me those aren't phenomenal, huh? The hematite with the gunmetal is gorgeous. And it has all these little, trying to get my thing here. It has all these little rhinestones too. So I'll show you guys the detailing. So this is the one set that they are offering. So this is set 1. I'll show you my ring. I love this ring. I'm a ring girl. This is set 1. And I'm thinking it's Magnificent Musings because it's always Magnificent Musings for that. So now they have this other set. Thank you, Brenda. Hey, Melinda. Okay, so this is another set. So this is Fiercely 5th Avenue. So they have this long, these are all silver. And so like, I have no idea what they do to make this metal shine so much, but my goodness. And it comes with this bangle set. And then it has, thank you, Melinda. Then it also has these hoop earrings, which are larger, but they're fairly lightweight. Thank you, Helen. And then it also has this ring. So like I said, these can all be purchased as a set, as pieces individually, either which way. And so I order them on the 4th. I stay up till midnight. Well, I'm always up till midnight. I stay up till midnight. I put in the order, and then I don't charge anyone until they actually come in. Okay, this one, this must be one of the new Pantone colors for fall. So Paparazzi goes to all of the big fashion conventions. And when we go to convention, they talk about the new Pantone colors. Hey, Kathy. Hey, Kathy and Kathy. Hey, guys. So this is the next set. This is all in this aqua, deep, tealy, greeny. It's beautiful. Hey, Tuan. So you have the choice of the bracelet. I love this coordinating set with 4 pieces. The ring, which those are like a faceted bead on there. And then the earrings. Look at this necklace. So usually what happens is they come out with it. Hi, Christy. I'll take those. Usually what happens is that they come out with these for Fashion Fix in a specific color, and then they bring it out into other colors later on. So this time around, this is the green. Do they call it green or do they call it blue? Yeah, they call it green. So this is the green set. And then look at this necklace. Like when I opened this, I was like, "Badow." So this is the other set. I think this is Sunset Sightings. And so this is in the silver. It has all of this detail work on these plates. Hey, Val. Nope. What happens is that, what earrings come with the necklace? Oh, hang on one second. I'll show you. So what happens is that these are the earrings that come with it. You're right. I should have showed that. Da, 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 da. So what happens is that I'm going to post pictures of the sets. Actually, technically, Michael is. He's my IT guy / computer man. He does all that fancy jazz. He's going to post the pictures in my group. You go to the individual snapshot, and then it'll have different... yeah, I recap at the end. I'm just showing all the Fashion Fix sets, and then my show starts almost immediately after. I just have a couple things left to grab for it. So we go ahead... These are going to be for sale. I have to order them. They send me one set. This is the Fashion Fix. If you're not a consultant, call, sign up for it. It's well worth it. It keeps you active each month. I'm gone crazy. You're all square. You're fine. So I'll show you the earrings that come with this. But this necklace is to die for. It has these earrings that are simple, and they have the same little... tassels that are hanging here in the silver with the studs. And then it comes with this bracelet in the brown. These chandelier earrings are sweet. So it had these chandelier earrings and then this ring to accent it. So that was what they call, that was their set for the Sunset Sightings. Like I said, look at that necklace. Seriously. So then, and I usually, like I said, I don't usually sell these until I have my order in and I know what I can get. I haven't had a problem, but this is what they did at convention this year. I know, they're all beautiful. At convention this year, anybody who attended convention, they said, "Who wants on Fashion Fix?" And they let every single consultant that wasn't on it right there without waiting on the wait list. Girls, sign up for it, Tawan. So this is the turquoise set. And so it has the silver medallion here. It has that blue crackle stone. These are all hammered platelets that hang down like the fringe here. Then it comes with the simpler blue stone earrings. Then they offer the, for some reason, this particular set, because they have 5 different categories for them. I missed something. For what? For Fashion Fix. This is Fashion Fix. So for all of you guys that are consultants, Paparazzi offers what's called Fashion Fix. You can sign up for it. Okay, there's a wait list right now. This is the ring that goes with it. And then look at this cuff. Like, this cuff is phenomenal. So there is a wait list for it. So you call customer service and then you ask them to be put on it. So what happens is on the 20th of each month, they bill your card for $60-something. You get these 5 exclusive sets that have 4 pieces each in them. Yay! Awesome, Leanne. That's great. So they bill your card automatically. It comes to your house. Mine arrived today. What is today, guys? The 23rd? Mine arrived today, the 23rd, and they shipped it out the 20th. It came to my house. I go ahead and I show my customers. Then I post snapshots. I allow pre-order. And then on Friday, or on the 4th, I go ahead and I order for my customers at midnight, which is technically the 5th, but the 4th to me. So I'll show each set again quickly because I do have a show. They have a really good phone system now, Tawan. So if you call and you sit on for about 4 minutes, it'll say press 1 and leave your number to save your place in line. And so you just do that and they get right back with you. I mean, it's usually within a half hour or whatever. They switched it all around recently, so I don't know when the last time you called was. Okay, so this is the gunmetal set. Ooh. This is the gunmetal set, so it had the gunmetal chain. I love, love, love these earrings and ring. These are my favorite. I'm a gunmetal girl. So it has the skinny band ring with the hematite rhinestones, and then it has the bracelet to match in the same chain with the same rhinestone. Then they had the Fiercely Fifth set, which look at this necklace. Like, come on. Boom. That is gorgeous. And the Fiercely Fifth set came with the necklace. This bangle set, which is 7 bangles. These hoop earrings, which are super lightweight. And then this ring here. I know, I'm a gunmetal girl. So, then they had the green set, which this color must be one of the fall Pantone colors. It is gorgeous. So the green set comes with, you can order individually or the whole set. Comes with the bracelet, the necklace, that's the earrings, and then there is the ring that matches it. All in silver. These are all faceted beads. I do a $4 flat rate ship. So however much you order, I do a $4 flat rate ship. If it just so happens to come in and I have a show that night, then I add it to the show invoices. Hey, Penny. And that would be the ring that went with it. It's a gorgeous color. It really is gorgeous, the color. Then there's this set, which this necklace is so fierce. I mean, honestly, look at this thing. This set comes with the earrings, the bracelets. I love that they give you all these coordinating pieces. And then also the ring. So that would be the 4 pieces for this set. So what Michael's gonna do, I have the last set that I had already showed, and I'll show it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What Michael's gonna do is as soon as this video is over, Michael's gonna take the pictures of these sets and post them in my VIP group. And then if you wanna order pieces off of them, it's a pre-order. So what happens is I order them on the 4th, and then they're shipping really quick. So it'll probably be here like the 7th, or the 8th at the latest. Once it comes in, you have 48 hours to pay your invoice. It's a $4 flat rate shipping, 6% Michigan sales tax. If it comes in on a day that I am doing a show, I am more than happy to invoice all together so that you're paying one shipping. So this is the turquoise set. Let me get the ring too that goes to it. So here is the ring. Oops. Boom. So that was all of the sets. Now the other nice thing, if you guys are a consultant, I'll tell you guys a little bit more. If you're a consultant, you get 4 hostess rewards because you're getting the 4 sets. I thought you were, Val. I'll send you the link right when we're done in case. And then it'll tell you, if you're already a member, or it'll say join. So then what they do is they give you 4 hostess rewards, right? And then they give you what they call Fashion Fix exclusive pieces. Now I got all excited because the first time I got Fashion Fix, I thought that this was included in ordering, that I could order these, but you can't. They never come out with these pieces again. So we'll look at the Fashion Fix. Oh, look at that thing. They have these Fashion Fix exclusive pieces. I can never order this again. They may come out with it in other colors, but for the Fashion Fix exclusive pieces, this is what they give us. So sometimes what I usually do is I give these, or I do these during shows. And so we'll see what the other 3 pieces are. These are usually indicative of things that are about to come out. So these pieces that I'm showing you right now will probably be coming out in other colors very soon. Man, I love this thing. Gold and gunmetal. I don't know if I'll be giving that one up, guys. I have to say. So this is one of the other pieces. This is the 3rd. Ooh. This is cute. Then they have this little purple ring. I don't know, Michael. I'm like fingers tied here. There we go. So this little skinny band ring with the purple bead in the center. And then this bracelet here, which is a stretch in the orange with the orange beads on it. And then it has the studding all the way around each of the beads. So those are the 5 pieces that they give me as a Fashion Fix exclusive set. So all together, what I'm getting when I order this as a consultant is I get 5 sets with 4 pieces. So I get 20 pieces there. I get 5 exclusive pieces, and then I get my 4 hostess rewards that go with it. These are nothing special. They're usually whatever the hostess rewards are going out at the time. So, oh, I think they definitely will be. Look, I mean, come on. If this is not one of the prettiest colors I have ever seen, I think this is gorgeous. And so if you've noticed, Paparazzi picks specific colors, and then they do pieces and accent them in those colors throughout the season. So I'm guessing this will be one of those colors that they will choose to bring forward into a lot of the pieces. So you'll probably be seeing this color a lot this fall. And they've already started to roll out the fall line. The jewelry has been gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to end my video. I have 17 minutes before I have my regular live show. I've got all brand new jewelry, and I have a couple boxes from when I was a customer that I didn't open. The orange ball necklace. Yup, I have that one coming. So if you guys want, please feel free to join me. If you guys are unsure, Michael, why don't you post the link to our group page? Our group page. So he's going to post the link to our group page in here. If you're not a member, feel free to join. He is currently, I think, posting the pictures. I'm not sure. He has 2 computers in hand right now. And my show, which I'm actually going to be on time for, which is amazeballs, is going to start in 16 minutes. Okay, you guys? Yep, no problem, Val. He's going to post it right here in the feed of the video right now. So hopefully I see you guys at my live. It's in 16 minutes. Thanks for coming. And if you guys, like, seriously, these pieces are to die for. I stay up. I'm like, stalker of that website. I make sure I get my order in. So there's no guarantees. I haven't had any problems. I've always gotten the pieces for people. So you guys have a great night. And hopefully I see you in 15 minutes, 16 minutes. Thanks. Bye, guys.